Okay, let's record this video. PDE of an Orange Pi 3D 2 GB RAM. Install the complete system of our home sys. We first open its official website. Open GitHub. Let's take a look at the configuration of my system at the endpoint. This is the Orange Pi 3D. This is the chip architecture. Let's take a look at the system. The system is Debian, but it's actually the ARM version. And I have installed PDE on this one. These are its parameters. And then we get to our formula. The latest update. Remember to vary the system architecture according to the different PDE image. To choose QSIL 2. So let's take a look at the chip architecture. AHA RCH64. And find this QCOW2. We download it. Here is the download. Wait for a while. Of course, this PDE installs the home system. I have recorded it many times. Okay, after downloading it, we will decompress it. This is the mirror we downloaded. We decompress it. After decompression, there is such a file. It looks like this. It's probably 900 trillion ENT. After a zip, we need to upload it to our folder. Upload to our server. Without these files, then we send the file just now. So we do. Pass it off. The file is large and wait a while. After the upload is complete, we will open our PDE. Here we need to create a virtual machine. We give the name HOS. Select a mask. Click Next. Take a look. We don't use any rings. Select Next Step. And then it's the default here. We choose UEFY here. Select our disk. We click Next to ensure our H home center system. We check the 6 GB. Then click Next. 4 ports assigning to port. Then the default is to go to host mode. Click Next. Because how much memory do we have inside it? This memory. Click Next. Click Finish. There will be one more here. This serial number is name. Click on this hardware. Click on the CD. Remove it. Click on our hard drive. Take a look at this. Click on the hard drive to detach it. Remove the extra hard drive. We also remove this disk. Continue the removal. Then we enter our Shum data endpoint. Take the file we just had. Give us this virtual machine with serial number 100. Let's replicate it. First of all, the command looks like this. This is the serial number of our virtual machine. Find the address of the file we just had. And our file names. It's not this, it's this. Now we put it. Take a look at this. This is local. Put out the disk of this logo. Although he is already in this format, let's add another format. Make sure it is indeed a disk. Then start executing. Wait for a while. The puncture is successful. Let's go back again. There's an extra unused disk. We click Edit. Click Add. Then we toggle this option. Switch its boot order. Install the disk we just added. Click. Then click OK.